Okay, welcome back to my channel. We are live, we are live, we are live. Please, as you join me, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We came late. I'm very sorry about it because I was thinking that I would be here before now, and something happened that my time, I couldn't just meet up. So please, once you come in, make sure you like the video and we have Evan, I can see you. You're welcome. You're welcome. I hope my voice is coming up. Please help me confirm that. Please help me confirm that. How are we all doing? Make sure you like the video and share it on many platforms of your choice. So this evening we are going to discuss. Please help me confirm that. How are we all doing? Okay. Yeah, my voice is okay. It's okay. Now, I just want to start without wasting much of time because I came late, so I don't want to waste much time. I have Evans Ike, Doreen is here with us, and Olu State. Where have you been, Olu State? It has been long. Olu State, I see you. You're welcome. And Money Man, I see you. Mabel Liwe, I see you. Mabel Liwe, you're welcome. You're welcome. Eddie Edmond. I see you, Eddie Edmond. Ogwejo Fobina. Albino, I see you. Rose is here with us. So please, thank you for your comments. That is very nice of you. At least for me to know that you are here. Very, very important. Please hit the like button, like the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you like the video. Don't forget that. It's very, very important. And share it to many platforms of your choice if you don't mind. So this evening we are going to talk about something that actually that is disturbing me. I just want to share this. I don't know how about you. This is my opinion. And please, what I'm gonna say here, remember this is my opinion. And I am not saying it because I have intel or I belong to one spirit, body, anything. No. But as an individual, I have right to share my opinion. And here we don't promote violence, neither do we support any criminality. I have been expecting you. Thank you for that, Ogwejo. Yes, I supposed to have come before now, but all the same. So please, we are here. At least we are here. So we don't promote violence. We don't support negativity. We don't support killing of any type. We have seen what is trending. I decided, like I promised us here, do not expect. Thank you so much, Amadi Chikos. They say greetings, Kai. Greetings to everyone. God bless you, my brother. Nice to have you. How are you doing today? I hope all is well with you and your family. So please do not expect me to come here and start analyzing men on ground and what is going on that has to do with Biafra Liberation Army. I have decided not to do that. Reason is because a lot is going on, and one of those things is why we're going to. That is the reason why I'm here. In as much as we can condemn, we condemn killing, kidnapping, all this nonsense going on. I want us to go back to what happened after the kidnap of Mazi PM. Not kidnap, arrest. Okay? Mazi PM Simon Ekpa. Some group of people, DOS, decided to fight him from 2021 until the day they got him arrested. They detained him and all that. When people was like, allow this guy, they keep on calling him Ekperima. Remember, they keep on shouting Ekperima, just like what Waisocha is doing now to TPM. Pay close attention to what I'm not here to play much video or to play video and pause and no. I just want to run this program this way. Not that I don't have right to bring it, I can, but I choose not to. They decided to talk about PM in a very derogatory manner, in a very bad way, just to paint him, push him out there as a bad guy. Ekperima, what in Finland? No, they would them mad. Remember, his gang group, his criminal. They are going out and snatching car for him. That was the preaching. That was what they were telling people. And the reason why they chose to do that, not because they don't know the truth, but a way to label him bad, to end him, to stop him. And not to stop him that what he's doing is bad. No, but why must he be him? Envy, jealousy, and self-hate. They spend all their time. They try all they could to make sure that they stop him. They started calling him name. Giving assurance to those that they used to fight. Who are those? Government, governors. They reach agreement with them to make sure that they stop him. Remember the video of Soludo? When Soludo said that they are working with me, that they are repented. You remember that story? I want us to also remember those things. You see, somebody who hates you will try everything to label you bad to make sure that person stop you, whether you like it or not. There's a tactics. But in as much as we know that this thing exists, we cannot just seal our mind, our mouth, because you don't want to condemn evil when you know that evil has been carried out by somebody that maybe you love or you don't want to talk about the person. You have to condemn that evil. But as you are condemning the evil, remember the people that are actually agitating to free yourself from. What do they want? They want both of you. They want everyone to start fighting each other. But our people have this mentality of, yes, it doesn't matter. I don't care. Let me go out and there and fight and make sure that I show my anger and pour it where I want and come back, no problem, as long as it's going to affect Mr. A or Mr. B. You see? Now, as they're claiming that PM is one causing problem, then sit at home started. Oh, that he uses at home to buy people. How can you stop people from going to their businesses? Some family cannot even afford to eat unless they go out to sell vegetable and okra. If you keep on doing this at home, our people are dying out of hunger. That's the woman that was on labor, and that woman couldn't make it to hospital because of sit at home. No driver, and you know, stories after stories after stories, just to make sure they stop him, just to make sure they prove a point that he's a bad person. And PM, what did PM do? He keep on explaining himself that he's not. To the extent they have to call somebody who is in Finland, that PM actually, that contact PM to do visa for him to travel to Finland. They reach out to the guy and connive with the guy for the guy to come out and begin to claim that PM scammed him. This is part of the things they lay hands on to criminalize PM, to make sure that they label him a criminal. He's a scammer, just to paint him bad in the eyes of his followers, in the eyes of Igbo, in the eyes of the whole world, because everything is also, it's on social media. Connect it with what White is doing today. Everything, whatever that happened in our land, she will connect it to COS and USB. Why? Because she's doing everything to make sure that DPM is being seen as Oyo Bosch. Truly, that she's this, is that she have her own arm wing that buying people that do that. And after everything, after saying that, she will now turn around and said, Nando anda maja na nango se kuloku magia na kwe genti. Nango se kuloku magia, no gekele kuloku magia. If she's the one that doing this, why are you expecting her to come and say, why are you expecting her to come and say something? And the reason why you're actually expecting her to say something, because you know that she's not involved in those killing that you're talking about. But you have to call her name so that somehow it will suit the narrative that she knows these people, she's responsible, this is what she do. That's what they said. Label a dog a bad name for you to buy that dog. They know what they're doing. Remember, the primary purpose of doing what they're doing is to shut her up, scare people away from her, make her feel uncomfortable. In other words, making her job difficult because you have personal problem with her. Not because you don't know that you understand, that what she's doing is the right thing to do. Even though you may not like the tactics or the style that she's carrying it out. I told us 2 days ago that one of the reasons why I pipe very low, not because I have power to question anybody, please, but why I don't question it, because many people have come, kind of report. Why is it that they show me what they're doing, show me the activities? You ignore group of people who also Biafrans, folding their hand, waiting for her to come and do something, so they cannot take the video, take the screenshot, and go to the various offices that they normally go and report. That is what she's doing. The same people I don't call her to come and do something. They will blackmail you that you are not doing anything. They will also come out and said you are the one doing what is going on. You cannot call somebody that you know that is causing the problem to come and save you. But the reason why you're calling her to come and save you, because you know that she's not the one causing the problem. Are you following what I'm talking about? Now, see the hypocrite in them. Just like DOSO, they all have this hypocritical behavior, like their own hypocrisy is not hidden. They will come and tell you, like during the time of DOS, PM rather, they will, as they are calling him, they will still ask you, what is he doing? Are you not seeing checkpoint? Why you still have police barrack, police station everywhere? Is still on the Nigerian bank? Hello, reference. This is University of Namodazike University. You can see it everywhere is open, and this university belongs to Nigeria. This is a federal university in Anambra State. You can see the Nigerian flying everywhere. Ask that Wakoda in Finland, where is her Biafran flag? This is Biafran land, but you still have Nigerian institution operating in Biafran land. That's how been there. That is the question they normally throw out there to push you to start asking a relevant question. They will still come back on social media and begin to blackmail that person that they are expecting. They're asking you to go and ask the person, how market, how far, what have you done? But they spend their time looking for a way to cajole, to drag him down. Do you understand? The same template is what they are recycling now. The same template, they did not change anything. The only thing that they have changed is personality, the individual that is involved. And most of us watch how they did it. Most of us have seen how they have managed the whole nonsense. And somehow we are not trying to play along with that their nonsensical behavior. We have several people that I'm going to mention now on this video. Let me start, like I mentioned, Why Isocha. Why Isocha have someone that she's saying that she's in good time with him? Biafran Unite. Biafran Unite is someone that had been there even when the argument between PM and DOS are on. He was there. He was part and parcel of it. Even though he later tried to do one of croquet moves that actually push him to kick himself out from the media of autopilot and Biafran government in exile. He decided to be, neutral, not because he wants to be neutral, but there's something that caused that, which many of you know already, how he was, transporting some, conversation in the cabinet meeting outside, and that one was leaked through the help of Gaddafi, who managed to call the lady called Obi in Chicago. And Obi in Chicago was actually playing the live meeting of cabinet member. Obi in Chicago refused to reveal how she managed to receive that kind of message. She refused to, reveal it to Gaddafi as of that time. Gaddafi persuaded. She refused. She don't want to stir anything until PM, got himself involved, and she managed to say that was Biafran Unite that was sending those things to her. Now, Somebody in the cabinet, of course, reached out to Biafra Unite and told him, this is what is going on in the cabinet, you know. This is what is going on in the cabinet. Biafra Unite willingly resigned, that he's no longer going to join because maybe he don't want to face suspension or that kind of shame. Why I'm saying this is because for you to know Biafra Unite that he had been there, he understands the template and the style of DOS when they were fighting PM. So seeing him now playing along using the same template that DOS used against another person is shocking. What are those templates? Biafra Unite do watch YE social program. How YE social is claiming that Goswara Benson is a terrorist. Now USB is a USB recharge card, a recharge battery. I don't know recharge whatever they normally say. Recharge card media, recharge card government, and recharge card whatever. That they are no watch or banana over bara. Like today, she was shouting, "Oh, car report, come and see. Kenena, come and see. Progress the analyzer, progress the analyst." Because I don't know, but this woman, Biafra Unite, cannot tell me that he has chance to watch other platforms and she don't listen to what YE is saying. YE Social is playing along with the so-called enemy. Why I say so-called enemy? Because Biafra Unite, you know, in one of his video where he's trying to talk about the trending video of 3 people that was by people that are suspected to be gentle. Some say that he's not gentle. Like, I'm not here for that though. In his video, he was trying to analyze that video. What he said actually caught my attention. That Biafra, that he said, go and see people sharing that video. That they are all USB. They borrow for USB. No Torah. Why are they sharing what the enemy are the one that brought it out? Helping the enemy to share it is as good as working with the enemy. So when he said that, I said, okay, so it makes sense. It makes sense. So sharing it is like kind of promoting it that the enemy, because to him, that voice is AI, according to him, not to me. So I was like, okay, if that is the case, so let us judge everything like what you're saying. We shouldn't share what enemy is sharing, right? The enemy also, last time I checked, the enemy also love to label Biafrans as terrorists. But your manners person, your right-hand person, why is such a day cannot pass without her calling a fellow Biafran a terrorist. And you are there watching. You are there watching, you know. So if you can condemn this one, what stops you from condemning the other one? That goes back to what I told you about the US. They said that they are not going on a ground. That the best way to reach mass mankind is the political solution. They want to follow political solution. That political solution is the best way to go. And Biafrans were like, it can't work that way. That even mass mankind teachings kicked against it. That anytime you are doing something and you see politicians or northerners begin to celebrate you, that you need to go back house to check about yourself. There's something that you're not getting right, and that is gospel truth. Somebody who don't like you begin to praise you. Something is wrong somewhere. Is that not get up or you need to go and check yourself. That sudden love cannot just happen. It doesn't happen anywhere. It's not possible. But this guy ignored that, and he was busy telling people, why are you sharing this video? Why are you talking about this? You are trying to, label gentle. You are trying to, as you are saying those things, why is it beside you? Promoting that thing that the so-called enemy that you're talking about also want. So what is this? Why double standard? What is going on? You should also be truthful. That's why it's difficult to see all these people that are moving around, calling themselves names. Agitator and activist in this our freedom. You can only act as a freedom fighter when it suits you. Really? If you are truthful to yourself, you should focus on the board then. You cannot, it is acceptable when the Israel is calling Biafrans a terrorist. Now you now remember that sharing the video is somehow a kind of may drag PM to a negative side. Okay, I agree. But when Israel is calling people terrorists, commander of chief of terrorists, not one, not two, not every blessed day. And she's sharing your program. You are the. How do you expect people to take you serious? Knowing for a fact that this is what you do because it's as good as you. Show me who you go with. Tell me who you go with, and I'll tell you who you are. This is your right hand person now. Why is such? She share everything with you because why is she not? She have that spirit of manipulation. That manipulative spirit is in her. She's highly possessed in terms of that. It is very, very obvious. Once she comes close to you, she don't want to penetrate everything. That is who she is. I know on make a crescent. On Edeka crescent. Now that she's with you, you okay when she keep on calling Biafran's name? Really? So this is what I find out about all of them. Why is such that Biafra Unite and DOS, they have similarity in them. And many other people like Jovica, like all these DOS people, they are all the same. People who will condemn one thing when it's favor them, who when it's not favor them, and embrace it when it favor them. That means you are not, they have nothing to do with the freedom. Because the freedom fighter, why the freedom fighters go through pain, not celebration, is because they are not fighting for them to be happy alone for themselves alone. They are receiving pain for other people to be happy. That's the freedom fighter. The freedom fighter is not about when everything is moving smoothly for you, and maybe I need to go for never sense. You know, again, no as a double one. Important not to go to now pay homage to you, and you look so important. You appear so important, so spiritual, so nice and everything. People don't joke with you. That is good side of it because people love it because of the pain that you are going through on their behalf. Not when the pain comes. You don't. No, you are not here for this pain, no. But you love praises. If you love that praise, you have to also embrace the pain that comes with it. Now, as they're claiming that Biafrans should distance themselves from DOS activities to drag Biafrans down, they are saying those things simply because they know that in as much as we keep on looking at them, waiting for them, you wait to eternity while contributing money. All these people claiming that, is this one, they are the same people that was attacking DOS for saying the same thing to PM in a different way, though, because PM one is criminal. She is a criminal. His voice is buying people just to make everybody to hate PM. I know even my own classmates, friends, they hated PM so much. You know why? Because they listen to people that are from the US. Now they are spreading like a wildfire. They are not spreading, they are not preaching falsehood using their radio, their platform, just to blackmail PM. They don't see all these people now as anything. They don't even talk about Ogenkere. They don't talk about anybody. They talk about UCS. To them, it doesn't really matter. They want to make sure they get an end to PM. That's why they're doing everything they're doing. So the issue of promoting, sharing the video and all that thing, I'm coming to that because we have seen how members of DOS are sharing it and talking about it. I've watched a video of Ken Gurago today about it. I've watched other platforms from DOS talking about it, and that the way they're talking about it is not as if they want. They're kind of the way they analyze this is a validation of what they normally report. That they report about this in the past. This is what do you know how many blood that is involved? Do you know how they're buying people? When the buying they are talking about comes from government security forces or Nigerian army, they will close mouth. They will start, sounding as if they don't know how to research, how to give details. Their voice will not go in. Listening very, very well, because this is what I find out from them. They don't talk about anything, any of crime or anything that carried out by security forces of Nigeria, or maybe a state governor, security forces, because they now have their own personal security, like the one in Anambra, Udo Gachi, Abra, Imo, have a Bubago now trying to recruit also Udo Gachi in Imo. So once this, for example, Udo Gachi carried, these violence activities on civilians, they don't talk about it. You see DOS use sellotape and cover their mouth. They have memory loss. They don't remember anything. Their mind cannot even recall anything. Their memory will fly from somewhere else. They can't recall. They don't want to talk about it. In fact, they don't know how to read headline news. They don't see those things. Their eyes are closed. They don't talk about it. Once there's anything suspected or being, even if they're not sure, or even the one they carried out without, maybe the one that any security activists carried out, that the Nigerian security force carried out without anybody capturing them on camera or reporting it from homeland, they will label it to immediately Simon Ekpa's boys. Guess what? Their counterpart in Finland that went to court are there, taking some of the pictures to report to various offices in Finland. That is how they roll, to make sure they nailed it. And on doing that, they are now validating the promise of Ebele Odika, that he will make sure that PM will spend 60 years in prison and all that. All this thing is coming from Ndibo, not Nigerian government, no, not at all. From Ndibo, because they drive joy. They show their power on their own brother. That's what they do. That's slave mentality. That's how they, if you know, you know. It doesn't matter that they're all mine. Whatever I do is this part is mine. Whatever here is under my control. They will say it, and they're doing it to gain favor from one authority in the government, like that. All these things, at the end of the day, you live to regret it. I've told us here that I'm not trying to plant or create fear in anybody's mind, but we have to be careful. You have to understand that whatever that is going on now could lead to something very, very deadly in future. What do I mean by that? I don't see our people making headway with that, buying our people very, very well. I'm not saying that those that are doing something and that what they're doing is fruitless. What I'm saying is that in as much as they're trying their best, USB is trying their best, trying to do this and do that, to organize this and do fix one or two things, and to take responsibilities of some of the things in terms of good things they're doing. Not if you go and steal somebody's good, you expect them to claim that they are no. They are trying to build a government that people can be reachable, people can be, government that is contactable. In as much as they're doing that, I don't see our people to queuing in mass now, maybe in the future. But before that future comes, I can tell you that our people, they will buy our people like chicken. Because of what? Not because we are weak, not because we are blind, but because we love to hurt ourselves. Self-hate. It is eating us up every now and then. And it's difficult to ignore. Very, very difficult to ignore. Now, as DOS are claiming all these things, spend their time, since the kidnap of Nnamdi Kanu, what have they done? The only thing they have achieved is negative things they have achieved is reporting Simon Ekpa, making sure that the reportman, they stop him. Because they felt that this is the only hope of Nnamdi Kanu. And they want us to believe that they're not aware of what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Really. If that is what you want us to believe, that means you are not actually seeing anything. Because it is very, very clear. The reason why many of them hate PM, Samuel Ekpa, is not because of the way he talk. It's not because he stole any of their money. He did not hijack anything from them, though. The radio, they don't even want him to get close. Is it documented? PM don't have anything that he received from IPOB or DOS to move forward. The only thing is that our people begin to follow him because they see the green light from his own side. And that pisses them off. They vow to stop him by any means necessary. And they have not, even now that he's not here, they are not relent. They are still pushing to make sure they finish the job. And finishing is to prolong his detention as long as they want. Who is receiving the pains? Number one, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Number two, Biafrans that invested much interest, fund and time, devotion and dedication to make sure that things move forward. They are the one receiving the pain. Do they care? Do you think the US care about your pain? The answer is no. And that's what they normally do that gives them joy again. As they are sabotaging and doing all those things, some of them, and what did enough people that old people, gray and everything, their bar is very, very open. They don't hide it. Elderly people of 50, 60, 40 something, 30 something, even 20 something, some 70 are still dancing in the streets of Europe, doing carnival. No matter what is going on in our land, even Ebo Kodike, beat his chest that he will do and don't do. And he's doing it. Kolo, and nobody is questioning him. He's representing the US. He's a member of IPOB. Right? Now, the other guy called Ike Guruago, what is he doing? You know his ordained, you know his activities. You see, I'm not here saying that, people leave anybody to buy people in our land. No, I'm against buying people. But in as much as we are condemning that, I expect you as well, if you are very vocal when Mr. A buys somebody, you should also be very, very vocal when Mr. B is involved as well. That's what I expect from them. Honestly, I'm not here telling you that allow people to start buying people. No, I'm not in support of any bloodshed, buying of anybody, or start snatching car, kidnapping, God forbid. I'm not. I'm a believer of approaching this peacefully. Even if you want to go hard, you have to wait for the instruction from the government or from the authority. Not when you sleep and wake up, you take law into your hands. That is anarchy. And if you keep silent on that, it could be your turn. Now, there's a report of Nigerian army, buying people somewhere in boundary between Abia, Imo, and Anambra. This report, somebody called the Reverend was involved. And they buy that person with a woman that reverend carried in his motorbike. As I'm talking to you now, both of them are in mortuary. I'm open fire on them and buy them. The question is, where are those ones? I'm not saying you should not condemn anybody. Please don't get me wrong. But I want the same energy. That's all. That's what I'm asking. There's also a report which I shared here last 2 weeks. A guy with a boy with his sister that went to farm, and they were kidnapped. They were kidnapped by Fulanis, and they demanded 10 million. When the money came, they started requesting for 20. And at the end of the day, when they want to release them, they asked the guy to sleep with his sister. The guy said over his dead body, they started butchering the guy. They buy that guy. I have not seen this in Jovica's page or anybody in their page. Why is it that we tell you Ngozi Arabugolo Fulani? Biafran Unite. We ignore it. It is normal. And turn around, start looking for who is sharing the one that you don't want. You can't get you can't get it, you can't get it right. This is a mega gift. Here is let me bring it up. This is a mega gift. Right up. Celebrating that over 11.2 million Biafran people today listen to IPOB X Space program. That was replayed live to Radio Biafra. If you participated in today's IPOB X Space program, have it in mind that millions of people listen to your contribution. The program scheduled to hold again on Saturday next week by 5 p.m. Don't miss it. You see, they are celebrating that they have returned back. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. They are now celebrating that, oh, we are back. Oh, we are back. We are back. Oh, we are back. And what makes them think they are back? Because PM is not here, which have been their primary objective. They have been working hard for a day like this. But when they were working hard, they told you, oh, we are formidable. We move nowhere. When PM said, I will be your end, they picked offense. That's why they're not trying to end him. In case if you don't know, I will be your end. They are working hard to end him. They hate it. They don't like it at all. They hated it so much. How can this guy say that he will be our end? Are we stupid? We cannot allow that kind of thing to happen. Pay attention. As he claimed that people gathered here, listen to them in their radio. Look at where he's bragging again. IPOB returning to its former glory. The question is, what pursued them away to their former glory? Why now they are now bragging they are returning back to their former glory? They deny that nothing happened to them, isn't it? Now they are now celebrating their returning to its former glory. And for them to return to the former glory, Igbo youth and the people needs to be buying in mass. Why digging out the underground political solution? Because that's what they are saying now. That time, this why they are underground. That is exactly what we are seeing today. They are now out, dishing out those things in quantum. So whether you like it or not, this is dividends of their hideout by making sure that they use anything, government institution, to send people to judgment, to create fear in the minds of people. Nothing more, nothing less. As they're doing that, I will later, don't worry, I will share to you the template they're using now, how they are bringing Biafra. You will see it here on this live broadcast. IPOB return to its former glory. Believe me, this leadership is silent achievers. In Ania, silent achievers, what are they achieving? Making sure that everywhere is burning, sending their own volunteers to work hand in hand publicly with the government forces to go and comb villages, set their place, and come back and cry. They will be the one to report the news that army is doing this, army is doing that, whereas their own colleague are the one leading army to those locations. A lot was revealed to me today, and I shouted, "Wow! I am paying for the freedom of Muhammadi. I am praying for freedom of Muhammadi. He will certainly come out and join us. He is a good man. I am glad with the level of work being put in place by DOS. Kudos and don't relent." They say a meeting. Okay, are you seeing that? I hope you guys are seeing this. Why is everything stagnant? Armstrong, thank you so much for your super chat. I really appreciate you, my brother. God bless you. Why everything is stagnant? Okay, I think I'm sharing the wrong thing here. Excuse me. Got that, please. Okay, so I was actually sharing this one without knowing that you guys are not able to see it. I was reading this post here. Okay, I was reading the post. I hope it is readable. Can you see that? Yeah, I can confirm it now. Okay, So you can see them here, how they gathered here. You see how they gathered? You see? So these are people, matured men. You know, I talked about the Abaha. Look at this man here. Matured people, grandfathers in Europe. But what are they doing? The silent achievers. Why is such in the other hands? He's busy calling Labogolo Fulani or Labogolo Fulani. But the man himself, leading these people to different places, you know, I don't need to start calling names. You know them. They hardly mention their name. Biafra United focus on what? Making sure they stop everybody. Okay, just, don't care about whatever is going on. His own, what bothers him is just anything that you guys can give us. Just give us. We need your contribution. Just give us something. We don't need anything here. Now, this is a mega gift. Read what he said here. Okay, he said, just in 4 years, just in 4 years, Chukwuma Soludo has murdered our vibrant youth in their 100 through his AVG, Udogachi, and Agune Chemba. He turned many into cripples through Ndi Akaudo, turned many more into orphans. Others he turned many orphans. Others he made childless, widows and widowers. Soludo must be stopped, or Mambala will be turned into a river of blood. IPOB. Now, coming from this same Soludo that this guy is talking about, he's the one that was revealed to the whole world on Channels TV, where he is there to grant interview, that there is a repented IPOB member. Remember, underline that were repented IPOB members that is now working with him. That there's one playing acting stubborn, cause some one guy, cause some member, but that they have this on him. That one doesn't carry any. It doesn't matter. Nobody is a nobody. That these are the real structures that Master kind of put in place. That was the only time that governors or politicians can, bothered about the structure of Mazamakan, like that he had Mazamakan have this body called DOS, Directorate of State, that they are the one that Mazamakan know. That Mazamakan don't know this one. This one is not among them. But they thought that is something like they would just use and push over, like a pushover. It doesn't matter. It's gonna stop him and all that. They tried and tried and tried. They found that it's not working. That these people actually meant, that PM actually, he mean what he was doing. He don't joke with his decisions. He's serious about it. What did they do? They started looking for a way to blackmail him. Join hands. They now have teamwork. They agreed to work together. Now, as they're working together, what happened? And they are cool, though, that the Mega Gift is crying about and Agune Chemba. They are there today because of that handshake they had with Soludo. Soludos have seen that they are weak. The word of Mazakan, they are docile. They have nothing to offer. Everything that they are doing is just way benefits. And he gave them what they want to, and they are owing him balance. That's why they're talking bending down. Can their leadership come out and lambast on Soludo? That size, no, because if they do that, they have to return the balance. You know what I'm talking about. Look at Emegage today crying about it, or should I say crying, or even pretending about it, because I don't even know if he's crying or not, to be honest with you, because these people, you can't trust them. You can't trust them at all. Look at Soludo with the Dako Dibia, because Soludo also happened to be a Kodo man. I don't think this man is normal at all. Please, if you have not liked the video, you are not doing me any good. That's just the fact. How can we spend, that we are here for 44 minutes and only 67 people hitting the like button? It doesn't cost anything. Please like the video. Our expectation always is 100 and 100 plus. While we are still streaming live, you can like it after. Maybe if you're gonna watch it later, you are expected to like it. But at least while streaming, the program like this, I expect you to hit the like button and do the needful. So you can see. Let me play this video for you to see, because let me take this one down. Now take a look at how they are now bringing you the freedom. Talking about, I see you, our mommy happy man. God bless you for joining us. And Gina Dura, I see you. Doreen is here with us. Chidu Bem Emmanuel. Please, if I did not mention your name, please don't be offended. I'm trying to, because we came late. We have to do the needful. We have Nelson Mark. Nelson Mark, we are not trying these days. I don't know if you're okay at all. You are not trying. It has been long I see you. How are you, my brother? Okay, Zeke, I see you. How is life? Okodere, I see you. Okodere. Victor Golden, I see you. If I see if I Okote, I see if I. All of you, please on the comment section. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, I need to bring to you this video, so you will understand what I'm talking about. So from time to time, they will cook food, gather together, and you can see buffet here. Wait, look at them. Just where you are tired, come look for one garden joint like that where they will do K-guide song, where they will sing together, get together, man. Tiko Binobiono, where I one my really Nakwayad. Look at nothing more, and the North flag of Biafra flag and Biafran costume. No meeting, no decision, no plan, nothing whatsoever. They will do monthly contribution to cook food and entertain themselves and go back. Freedom fighters. Look at it here. And they have responsibilities. They have a representative rather that are making sure that those that are fasting, working themselves hard, trying their best to do something that they can't do. That is what that is the people that are attacking. So their contribution is to sponsor people, to go to various offices to report and come back. The balance that remains, they will cook food, go to joint, gather together, wave flags, that kind of thing, enjoy themselves and go. From time to time, they do the same thing. Once the French people, once their family unit there gather together, all the zonal office there come together in one location, sing and eat food, dance and wine, go back home, worry, go there with your girlfriends and make a new girlfriend, make a new boyfriend. That's all. Then go home. Then the people in the Belgium will say, "Wow, I love what I'm seeing. Can we also organize our own?" They will organize their own. Come together, dance, play. Look for quite. Here, they are not afraid of Boko Haram. No, they are not afraid of Nigerian army cannot come there and shoot them. Not at all. They are very okay. After they will place a call to their family in Bongo, fence their compound, buy maybe doors, and protect their own family for now. And that's all. They will go home, relax. So tomorrow, breaking news: one woman in her farm, Fulani husband tie that woman and force themselves on that woman and get away with it. And this is what breaking news somewhere in Igbo land. They'll say, "Hey, Chimu, hey, now wow, hey, nah, Maz or getting name Maz, now wow, okay, Mazi, Kemaka, Ega to Robosa, Kobosas not go the meeting." That is now it's okay. Highest if they're so kind, they type rest in peace, rest on, and share it. Nick, open all the name content, we'll make the content in Bacha Kahagan. That is God. Another thing is to share intel about who is talking against us, who is talking, that kind of thing. For how long are you going to do that? For how long? Now go again. I don't know why the video is not playing very well. It's hanging. I don't like it. Let me play it from here and see if there's any different from that, because I noticed that the whole thing is just hanging. Is it the same thing? Okay, you think it's another one? This one is another one. Let's see.
You don't carry this one again, yeah?
No. The oh God. Again, I need one low. This is what this is the reason why they don't like PM, because PM, there's no chance to do this kind of thing under PM. We can't gather together and be celebrating. This is just carnival, you understand? And stopping them from coming together like this, they don't like it. Look at it. They even knelt down like Black Lives Matters. He said, I swear, they get. No. Hey, God. I missed it. I wanted to show you how they knelt down. That was my intention. But nevertheless, let me move to another thing. I wanted you to see. Now watch this one. No.
You don't carry this one again, yeah? Stop buying one now.
So this is this is the reason why they are fighting PM, just to have opportunity for this kind of gathering. You understand? And it's not one. It's not. In the binary Europe, did you see anybody like on maybe a baby here? They are all mature people. They are all matured. Somebody said 9. What do you mean by 9? Casey, what do you mean by 9? I don't understand what you mean by 9. Please like the video. Like the video. There's another video that I think this one. that is DOS now. That is what they. If you stop them from doing this, they will sign all the petition in this world against the Buruman also. If you dare stop them, hey, Iman Ibu Ekberima instanta. Ekberima Kevo. Ekberima. Look at it here. What mention one thing that these people can give you. Just one thing. Nothing, my people. Nothing, absolutely nothing. They are not willing to do anything. They are not intended to do it. Nothing. Just to gather together, dance around, nothing more. Now, if you have noticed that after the arrest of Simon Ekpa, from Prime Minister, we are now hearing Soludo is doing this, Soludo is killing. No, they don't talk about everything that is going on. They always choose the one that suits the narrative. Now, I want us to go back to what this guy said about Soludo here. Is it coming on the screen? Let me see. Can I bring it up? Just a moment. Let's take this one down and get this up. Okay. Now let me remind you something here. If you pay close attention, he said just in 4 years, Chukwuma Soludo has murdered our vibrant youth. Okay, now in 4 years. But when PM was here, this guy was telling that someone but here, he has admitted that Governor of Anambra State, 64 years, is the one doing that. But before they succeeded in reporting taking PM away, it was PM. They will tell us PM is the one. PM is the one. Simon Ekpa is the one doing this, he's doing that. That if you go to Ebonyi State, everywhere is busy. Things are moving fine. Why is it not moving fine in other land? Umaka Ebonyi State, Juemen cousin, Umaka Ebonyi State, I don't want doing this and do that. But you just mentioned 4 years, meaning that all this while that you have been calling PM Simon Ekpa names, that he's not the one. He's not the one. He don't even know about what you're talking about. Connect it to people that are telling you that COS and Biafrans are terrorists now. Not that they don't know. In fact, there's a video that I watched today. Somebody shared it to me. I think from who I think that platform is it Progress? I think it Progress the Analyst. Shared a video of what some people claimed about what some people said, not claimed, about the name of Wai Isocha, that this woman is from Sudan. Wai Isocha is from Sudan. Like, not that she's Sudan by birth, she's from Sudan by birth, but I think her husband or the document that she used to travel to Finland, to France is all Sudanese, not in Nigeria. They don't know her in France as a Nigerian, but as a Sudanese. And according to them, I don't know if it's true or not, that she gave birth to, one of her child, belonged to a Sudanese man. But this woman will come online and begin to tell you that because of Ogolo Fulani, commander and the chief of terrorists, no, Fulani. But your husband and your child, you have a child that is not even a Nigerian, not even a Biafra. You don't even be a Biafra. You can't check her name in that document. You will see Mary. How will I get that document now? Where is that document? Where is it located? Should I just trace it now? Okay, let me see if I can. Let me take this down and locate it. Maybe it will make more sense. You understand? Maybe it will make more sense so that you know the name. That because I can't pronounce that name offhand. I need to get it up. I really need to get it up. Just a moment. Let me look for that name on X. Just a moment, please. Okay, now this is this document here. You will see her name, her real name in the document, according to what CS posted here. Hope. Let me see if it's readable. No, it's quite small. Just a moment. Honestly, I don't know how to zoom this anymore. I'm trying to make it more bold, but it's quite tiny, very, very tiny. Let me see. No, it's very, very small. Very, very small. It's not readable from my end. I don't know if you can read it from your own side. It is very, very small from here. But the name, I can read it from, not from the screen, but from the web. It says Ike, that is Ikeh, Mary Lasuba. Lasuba. So who is Lasuba? This Lasuba, I don't know, but people said that is Sudanese name. And the document that she's using the document, like if they want to deport her now from France, they will send her back to Sudan. Sudan, call my Sudan now. From Sudan. So wajan and the Sudan kind of work if you wajan in that fashion. Ajan and the Sudan. I want to know Kai. Look at her. This is people that are trying to do everything to protect what I don't know. Onye gwa gị na onye Sudan ka gị na-eme oke ife si ise ị ga-egweta. aja na ndị Sudan aja na ndị Sudan ka a na-agwa gị ihe wa amam ndị Sudan nọ na-akwa ekwe ha amafe bụ nzu ọka efu na ịka dị n'ụdị n'ụdị alọghị ọ dị n'ụdị n'ụdị mana onye nke maka ị ga-ama imagine a Sudanese woman calling you names. Oge mmadụ ada afọ na nwa Jizọs a ngọzọ bụ gwolo Fulani na Naịjirịa ọka Sudan mana nke bụ eziokwu ndị Sudan ha ga-achọkwa ka ekwu onye ọcha nke aja na bai because nwaanyị soja tụtụ n'ọcha karịa ndị Sudan ha na-eji ncha n'oji ịman. Oh my goodness, please, I'll be right back just a moment. So, Chika Ike is a Sudanese woman, but that details my eyes are very wide, were very, very open to know the details of how the connection about this Sudanese. Internet doesn't have good there, but officially no Sudan as a copy of France. Catching no bizo by document again as well, but not the terrorists. Manibo is Sudan. House Dani, the man going to say about that Dani Jubri. Oh, about that Jubri guy. Oh, what that Jubri guy, I'm not in a Google. What that Jubri? What that Jubri, I'm one mother Chineke mere mmadụ ebere ọ bụrụ na ife a bụ eziokwu nwaya ka Chineke mere gị ebere ka ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ eziokwu ka mama nwaanyị Jubri nwanne ego gị gwuo ndị Naijiria chandụ wee yiri buru ilu ịgara ịga n'ilu na-akpagharị na nazi president ọ dịswa gị nwa nọkwara social media na-adọkwa mmadụ va mba ụwa nke apụtara bụ Wando Sudan I just need that. I'm going to copy. I'm going to black and white copy. That's I don't want grid. I don't make Google colored one. Just within that black and white. And then I'm going to defend Oluwale. Wotia. Nkana na to wobele mo ebele fenti. Oluwale black and white. Yeah, and that wotia bikono. I don't agree in a colored. I just need it. Can't you now? Truly, now why I know bomb medical also got the web at France. I'm not only no bomb no. It's a whole if it is. Imanda and they put you one another more than a problem I had for all Sudan. Commercial Sudan, and I didn't know. Christian is on the better. Why is such a bomb back is where he France. Ha. I one kind. Man, I just equal my quality because you want to quite too much. You could check again. Quality your boy band no. I that you breed a lot of madam most Nija. I that you bring. You want to go get just heap mass. I was at the corner and Bahia one and no one. Ijiri will see now soon away me no cross over the way Zeba from Nigeria, Baba Sudan. If that's okay, get away, check up on social media. I got back for again one day again. I'm about for again one day. If you need me, I keep record there. He who lives in a glass house should never throw stones. I'm going to keep a glass, my sister. Oh, go to a plastic house, go be near. I'm going to keep a glass, or I'm not about that one. Man, I check if any Jubri men. Check if Jubri may go. The Jubri is got host to go to for how many years? 1 year. Why? Well, blueprint 10 who is blue carbon poster color of this. If you got together, never watch. I'm not know why you should done. It's only you be why you couldn't mass in here. because all that when you go to the mass and one you no go to the wine away. Where might be mass because this guy they donate to the same color every day. I feel boy, it's why to if you get busy to like na listen but na no to like that. O special baba na. When you buy mass, oh you mass which is plastic on it, na. Or they don't. Oh, you why you put no mass now come back. Why is that? People must ka feel it. Kama kosa di kata maka ma ojiga mo go Sweden. Ndi Sudan. So this Sudan the queen. Say wajana. Mo na aja na Sudan. Aja nda na aja black because man nda di chukwu ndi wa. Aja ha na acha oduka aja mama oduka po. Mmepe kwa atachara ba Sudan na kigbazo kan che ke ka. Ke udi ndi fa na erigasi. Ndi Sudan, you know, mara ve why is such na like you. Okoko ojo. Oye eyeglass adịghị ike bụ super ichi ruche na tata ọ na-akpọ ya kind report ụmụ amosu ya na ama ife message you ga post that ọ bụ na m na-ekwu ma gwa post ko that kind thing ọ ga post ya no why is such a ọcha na mbele nka why is Sudan ha go the internet. Internet na Sudan, I give up. Why is the fact? If you remember, but if you didn't go for no jobs, the Bassas public, call I can contact against it. I don't want to know about Sudan. If you can't know, one of which you turn up bongo, those we you got a Ganilo, Nigeria, Chikudia, how many months, how many years? Chichan, no, Kona, and I do a counterfeit, and I do a Masudi, and I go. Double from your own side. Now, Bazi, no, I'm going to Fulani. Look at Fulani again. But I want to go get a go president. Suppose the pride of Fulani now. This is your company in Ayala. This is your company. Want to get your company for how many years? Yeah, teacher your company for how many years? Bajua, but I not too. Oh, but when you must even get getting make expire because. Ọ dị ka eji masa mana ndị Sudan aka na adị na maka ikpeazụ ịgwa gị eziokwu ọ bụ nọ wee fe mmadụ mee gị na ọ dịgo too much very much. You know what, I'm gonna end it here. Shebi Fulani struck Yoruba land in Kwara and ihe abụkwa na akụkọta ya na bi ife a na-eme na be ndị Yoruba ka ikpeazụ abụkwa na because amakwuru m ụdị reporters nọ side nke anyị gwa gị eziokwu o nwere nke ma frustration na asef na isi mana dịka ebe a na-ede ebe edosiri iko milk apagacha ya ụta mana ndị ga na ebu isi mmadụ ote were ka fonye na eye socket okpokoro isi mmadụ ụta bunye ya nakwa aka akọ ya na so ife na-eme na ndị Yoruba too na-ata nke mba asef na anyị na-eme ụwa anyị we dey do ourselves na ife and Fulani Igbo not itu ego n'etiti ndị Igbo ka gbaa ofu well and the thing na work well. But success in one call, I see you. Again, I said forever and ever, Olu State. Ken Olu State Lukum. Nkina Inetio na Ikechukwu Melu said Ada Udele is worst satanic agent we ever know in this life. She is deadlier. No, you quote the one atia equal na no police in this Ubuli ilu ndị Sudan na filter sige gini why ejekwana no wonder ọ na-asị gị that na ụlọ ya na-ewere ewe ebe afọ na onye mana nwa ya wee kọntrị na-ekwu ume ya na ya nọ na ya n'ọnwa nkwa na asebe ebe ọ paakị ebe o ji wee meghiri isi ndị France kọ nonsense na anọ mebara ya Sudan chukwu Sudan baa Nigeria kwụchakwala abụ kwụcha abụ side aga side akwụchala abụ kwechikwere sef gwa gị na ụmụ aja nọ hie jụọ onye nwa ya ma oge ọ na-aba Sudan ogbe aja na Igbo wee gawa ọ dịkwa ka mma wasn't it yesterday or day before yesterday can just that a woman that you can't even see her father, her relative, her village people, nothing. Ọ dịka mma I was saying that this woman, are you sure? Nobunakwa na no na mebuka gbaba mmiri gachi ya n'ụkwụ mama okwu ya na-elukwa na ịgwa gị ezo because mana ife dị go so keep azụ ị na-ata buru mmiri ọtọsọ na kwụrụ afa kwụọ ya mama okwu ya na-emetụkwa n'aja ala ekwuchiri m ya na olu ọsọ 24 hours a na-agwa ya n'ọkwa Sudan In fact, that program, although I watch, I don't expect call reply any tomorrow. In short, Oju Ghana Waru Dene cannot change. No, Oju Dene Ana Wara Ochu. Ana Wasala Ochu. Yes, Kai, you saw it and said it is. Thank you, my sister. Oju Ghana Wara Ochu. I'm no this woman only a quena mother, so all this while, I don't know why it's done. No one to put all my chat and now have Kuku and Ibuku and Ibu time temple of because Oju on us if he also when if you get the neighbors of Sudan, also Nanka Sudan, also Nanka Sudan. Kekonebeji, I walk one on one. Success what I'm feeding about music. Oh God. So please like this video. I think I need to end it now. God bless all of you. We are spending 1 hour. Maybe. Okay, let me see. Okay, so I have a question. I can report me. Send your link. Let me send link. At the amount. Mobono actually it me for now. I have a this video end there. Let's see Mike. I'm gonna get you cool. I'm gonna can ever. Let's see Mike, get my female. Let's see Mike, if you are here, please. There's this our brother that I would like. I don't have his number. Called from what is the name of this our brother? He joined us one certain time on our live broadcast from I think from Edo State. From Edo State. Please, if you I don't know, I forgot his name. Please, if that our brother, in case if you see this video, I would like to talk to you from Edo State. One of our brother that your account here on YouTube, you have a Biafran flag. I guess that's a Biafran flag. Okay, just a moment. Can you go there? I'm on my fan. I was somebody got more in the come again. Please, I share the link in case you want to say anything before I end the live broadcast. The link is out. You can join me if you don't mind. If not, then I'm gonna end it. I'm late. I see you invest. Okay, I see you. What is the name of this guy? I know the name, but I can't just remember now. Success said, thank God we know we know at that is a Sudanese woman. I can breaking news to get that. Why is that again and equal this one? Up to now work as if not no way if much work much. I'm strong. Thank you so much. Thank you. Link I send on that guy, the person's name is Amuche. Something Amuche from Edo State. Amuche from Edo State. Please, we have our brother Henry. You're welcome, sir. Please unmute your.
Okay, thank you, Mazita.
Go up one. Emeka Toki, please go out and come back again. Your network is hindering you from coming in, please.
I enjoy this program because I am on one Sudan, but I name over. Ụgbọanyị kpuchikwe wee mepee anyị anya wezi anyị nwaanyị Sudan. Ọmalọ na anyị bụ ndị Igbo, we are Biafrans, we are not Nigerians. Ndị Nigeria nọ na-ehi ụra, a Sudanese abịa chie ha for 2 years or 3 years. Ama. But Biafrans are boss to be because we are not Nigerians, sleeping human beings. Moving around. So, are they too bad? because all the meet here Biafra, did they dig every single truth. So otherwise, actually, my here 1 year worker or Sudanese,
Jubri.
Al Sudan, Jubri Al Sudan, no so I got my love Sudanese.
Na dia why brother na French o ko me ko ngem ban.
Hi, so I know not since we are rock show that with this Sudanese woman.
Oh my goodness.
Mono Fulani, when I will call a Fulani breed.
Original.
Well, original Fulani.
Original. Kabo kwanja kere. Obono
truth. We are just saying the way it is. So I know since La Rock will show that with a Fulani woman. Because once you marry, by virtue of marriage, you belong to your husband's family, community, state, or country. You nationalize. She always nationalized Fulani Kawanyabu by marriage. Confirm one, no be propaganda. So
Jubri's sister.
Yes, with Mamabu daughter, Mabu Jubri's daughter. So we thank you.
Mano
Other replay the same template in Biafra struggle. Hide inside. If you don't say destroy is everywhere, up and down, because I don't care. Because she's a Fulani woman. She don't care.
You don't care.
I don't care. So everything can destroy. She don't care. All I fight Ogen Kere. All I fight Ngozo Rabeze. All I fight is CRC. So it is obvious that she don't care because she's a Fulani woman. She knows where she belongs.
Be at the intact now.
Yeah, be at this. Hopefully, like Lord, I want a very peaceful home. Oh, destroys our own. She will just go back to her own because she don't care. So we thank God of Biafra that revealed this. At least we now know our enemy and we know our friends.
And then, our French can answer Sudan.
Yes, French. All those people, French.
They also go French before guarding French self.
Nwaanyị ahụ si la ọ bụ ebe ahụ ebi ọ lụrụ nwoke ahụ ebe ahụ she base nwere ike nne ya bụ Biafra nna ya bụrụ Sudani ọ lakwuo nna ya another Sudani alụrụ ya ebe ahụ you know because ịma na amụọ mmadụ mgbe ụfọdụ ha jụba kedu my father akụzie okay lekwa your father ọ lazie ebe the father another nwanne ya onye ebe ahụ alụrụ ya because that's her root. Sudanese is her root. So she has returned back to Sudanese. But all the countries refuse all our people because
Sudan so we'll also
Sudan creating now war Sudan for several years. The Biafran situation carried their situation after the war because the heart go one in Kehawan.
Ọ nọ n'ilu Sudan kwuo na ya bụ eke ọgba ụdị 2x2 a ga-apịa na azụ isi ya.
Now, all those things all are working now are now making sense. You see now, she's a Sudanese. That is why Ojira said they are she can hear anytime. She can change, and her national. Now we are Biafran for life. From beginning to end, we don't on whatever Japan, we have no other place. But look at her, own another home in Sudan. That's why you say that yeah, we're called that will go so Biafra amazing Ohigaria to Sudan. That is all what she's saying. But now we are getting it. Echo Sudan. Ogumagala Sudan. Fulani.
If you're never going to watch Jesus, I'm
shocked. I never believe it. But why I say, and when we believe that why I would a Igbo breed. I'm now Sudan blood to Sudan marriage, Sudan children, Sudan Fulani, everything Sudan Fulani. So Maazị Kai nwaanyị apụtakwa okwu Biafra again ka ihe niile na-eme ejire Biafra ozi megide ya because onwe the right ikwu Biafra ya ga-akwuo maka Sudan. Let her go and talk about Sudan.
ọ kara iche ka akpọrọ ya gaa n'ebe ọ kara ịga na hospital ebe nwanne nwoke ga gbuo iwe chia bọmbụ but ọ chọrọ na ịga ebe ahụ ọ chọrọ ka o were ekwe na nzu wee megharịa mmadụ ya mba
ọ dị ihe ọ na-achọ ime ọ na-achọ confuse anyị ọmadatịla Biafra si zute gị they come for you
akwụtara ya na-ekwe
ma otu ogene awụ ọkụrọzi
nzu na ogene awụ ọkụrọ na nka because all the very obvious ya chọs na-ekpe ekpere ka this document a obere pepe akwụkwọ maka ya afịa ọ dapụta online ọ ga-adịkwa somehow.
Biafra si dị egwu. No wonder this woman is fighting everybody. No wonder sometimes crazy ihe ọ chọziri ka amezie. So okay, all our fight CRC, all our fight Birigi, all our fight USB. Kedizi ka ọ ga-esozi.
I don't care.
So this thing just makes a whole lot of sense. Well, anyway, thank God because one here that will never come to light. Let them keep talking. They will keep making mistakes. Thank you so much. Mazikai, I want to request him to email. Owerri State. Owerri State they host to their fundraising to build up their defense. Owerri State fundraising. Okay. So how want a flyer and how choroka help her go about it on your platform so that the message will go wide, viral. So can I forward it to your WhatsApp, the flyer?
Send them in a WhatsApp. Send them in a WhatsApp, you know.
Okay, I will do that just now.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so you know your program help or how to
send the good jacket. Can flash on before Mitchell.
Okay, I will send it right away.
Okay.
There was
okay. Appreciate it.
Thank you. God bless you. I will be in the background.
Sure. You're welcome, sir. So my people, you know, na eko bani ne kwano na ndị this is the I would discover on the I am always coming on this than na drag eze you know ejilo ntị anụ ebe agwọ na eburu 2x2 sochie ya bụ agwọ why mmadụ wee speed cross go border by go France gaga so ndụ n'eze ụmụ ndị Igbo afọ na ndị Igbo na-ebi na ndị some part of Igbo land don't eat snake fefulu zemba na ofiro oke ka nọ n'afọ na agwọ ba na bụ ọkụ ego gbana na eke just no miss unu miss kwere ya dọta ka ntị this is done. Chineke mele ga-ebele ka abụ na akwụkwọ eji aba aka ọpa apụtara na ịntanetị ọ pụtara na ịntanetị iji ekwe na asị mmadụ iji efu ị na-ebu okwu Sudan na alụ azụrụ mmadụ ị na-eme aja na aja na ka na-ekwu ihe white ndị Sudan na-eyi ugwe maka ha na-ejiro kaftan ụmụ kaftan white eti play ha fie anya n'isi ụta fie dis bedsheet a na-efi n'isi ụta Ewe Chineke bele mmadụ ebele okay okay let me just share this with us very important. I received it, sir. I received that a message. Ocean Master is here with us. You're welcome. Unmute your mic.
Ndewo Mazikai. I greet you.
I greet you. Hold on. Always. Ocean Master, name Fuleba because okay, I'm Asatina. Unmute your mic as well. I know the cancer of one in the background. Asatina.
It's me. Hey, honestly, I can't wait. It's such a good
I'm
movie.
going to document the go get the mood. Yeah, with it. I'm See, I'm going to get a mood. I'm going to get a mood. The live document the name, my full name, every go to put it. Not important.
Oh, for what? What drop? What balance drop? Because you have a match to fire. Aba na platform. What am I going for that? I'm not aware of what you're saying. Man, even when I look at the platform, anything what they do, those people that sit in the class, how are they going?
Nah,
Those people, they mess up, not fat in the class. They're always the people that will shout first. Who fat?
legend. Let's.
Hey! Honestly, internet is very interesting. Now, your paper come out. Come out. Edge back and this thing. I can't wait. I can't wait.
Wait.
No wonder, Mazi. Honestly, connect ya no the dot. Unu na hukwa dressing one. Ya you dressing undu majara.
On our first so we are on our first so we are on our first so we before na bolo. Akade ko mago ngo de mecha ko na ngo de mecha ko na France ngo de mecha ko na eja se bolo.
Even though hijab come from Kawaya because I'm an account can give me identify well. That karate clothes all day. That white one,
my sister Tina, just a moment. Okay, please, I want everybody to take a look at this post here before we continue. You can see USB State of Nation address. Please join us this Friday. When you come down here this coming Friday, you see the State of the Nation address and Independence and Anniversary. Live on USB radio, Friday, 29th August 2025.
Oh my God, very good.
7 p.m. Biafran time, 2 p.m. Eastern time, US and Canada. Please, they are inviting everybody to join this program. It will start this coming Friday, being 29th of this month. So a few days from now, keep your eyes on that. It's very, very important. And make sure you share it, of course, although maybe we will do it in a better way tomorrow to digest it properly so that everybody can take a screenshot of this, or you go to COS handle to see it in detail. But this announcement is what our people want us to keep note on that. So if you are watching now, don't forget to join this program. It will be on air on Friday, 29th, this coming Friday, not this one, not after this one, this Friday. Today's date is 26th, okay, 26th, then tomorrow is 27, 28, then 29, Friday. You don't be like at 7 p.m. Biafran time. Very, very important. Thank you so much. My sister, sorry about that interruption. I had to do this one.
That was a very important one. So yeah. We keep an eye to that. So, my Biafra, great Biafra, it's just time. Let us give just ourselves the time.
I'm telling
Honestly, results.
Just hold it there. I know from Ocean Master. All I'm a bully everyone because I know from
I'm just coming back from work.
But don't worry, my that's not Ganiru. I know me. I Ganiru. So
my brother Ocean, honestly, I'm watching. I know Ochem Cambiana can't because Watching Kandela Kantia because on our watch it, on and watching that dinner. I love it. I love it. Nonsense. Oh my God, and that's the idea beneath. Why you praise you kwa no ya no? This is one of them. Identity.
This is that in the Guajana. Why is Sudan?
Or Sudan ka o si mbụ nwaanyị ahụ.
Chineke na.
No, all this is all the Kadia boy Sudan. So I want to go to about France.
I ga-edepụrụ ya akwụkwọ. Our government ga-edepụrụ ya akwụkwọ ka ọ return that ID card e nyere ya na Finland. O mere iwu ya. Ọ bụ the citizen of Biafra. She's a Sudanese.
Man. My brother, take the life.
Hey, and if you go get out of because Kamalo gave a document one up with full page of Magadina. Okuya de Magadina, who are the Conana call Mad hit with Madabia. We're gonna now pour white and a DNA get enough for 80% Sudanese. The remaining 20% in Fulani. Okay,
it could be half cast on your girl. Honestly, yeah, no, I they far from truth. This thing no potara like this. I'm telling you, but the thing no, kaichele no malazie bo from father or from mother or from.
At least by husband, yeah, good. Now when I'm here, oyo more was no okay, Sudan.
Yes. Oh yeah, more way back come the legal anyways.
Give him manager mention than organ cake boy can just jupre. What did Hakana no capital quankia?
I took a total internet short.
Jupre just mentioned why come back in the car. I forgot what I'm going to get an you get a maybe in a document about
Go get a child's play. Nanka.
Okay, can mode documented woman to all the William Mahan because you are the good name document. As I go get Nankia, man, go get yourself. No,
Hello, Mekwalo. Mazkai, I just nabata because I don't work with the me got go so never one in our life got go. So Najua would so one but me no name or link you know original abago of Sudan, right?
Sudanese, and they put a document to Oji in France, no Sudan. Like him normally that nobody AC Bongo Pota. Gauge our mango green and age where go.
Okay, but Augustine only for
before you but I go to Sudan. What if was happened? Not a fire record in France.
Augustine only for that means you know they put and carve after that is that. You gotta go. No, you could leave at Chiniake, no, you mean, mana. Ekwensu abuguyon because no tegake ejiwe and this type of individuals all have an akezu carry we go when you lose what do you lose? Do you understand? That is why ojebe come be everything because when you lose
because if you go Anambra la suba
Uche Anambra
La super.
Oh my God. La suka. God forbid.
Don't suffer. La super.
God forbid. No wonder. It could even be that na Emma in the Sudan na Sudan or flank have completely. So
yeah, of course, yeah.
Yes, it could be now on the bias. We're not with all these pretentious attitudes. Near love can the buy. Manana
even after you know kita na bo majan ipo na fulani milifa imakoge na dawa ya no bi na pare 1 year.
Yes.
Ogana but in go how dare you to talk to my siblings like that?
Alụm. Okay, nkịta na ka ihe mana a na-ekwu na ọ mụrụ ụmụ nwoke nọ ise ụmụ a na-eme ihe a omenala afọ nwere ife o ji akpọrọ ịghọtago nke a da-abọ dị ya ịghọta ihe mmiri. Wonderful. This is very good. Mmecha ka m nwere nọ nwayọ ga back to the program bido n'isi wee gebe the thing. This is wonderful.
I just touched it at end in our time. I just I don't remember for them. All documented that on the internet now. What I mean.
Merike. Bachele Bia France. Merike. Kere afe was Kennedy. Campo is Bafia, but we call down. Mana La Suba. I know you still here.
Ask the name.
Okay, La Suba als Daniel Opa AL.
La Suba we fit on the documents. Mana even Jubri ask Daniel Chigo Chilubongo.
Yes, okay. Oh yeah. So La Suba al Sudani. Watch a lie. I educate my voice. I draw clear. My voice very well. I've begged you, plead with you a good number of times. At a time, he begins to cut phone on me. Now, Bachele Bia France. I told her, by now she will not be sleeping. Well, before this case will start, she will not be sleeping. Remember that we said it on this platform some time ago. I said it here as well. So, Ola. Amanga kuya na anya ọzọ. Tap up on internet. Nonsense. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my brother. We have Madam Origin in the house.
Yeah.
Good evening to you. Madam Origin, are you there? Madam Origin.
Oh, Mr. Kai.
Good morning. Oh, good evening your time. Is it morning or evening? Should be evening your time.
It's evening my time, Sha.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Power.
Now, who is the Madam Tina that was alive? Is it?
Asatina is here with us.
Asatina.
It's that
okay,
voice.
Madam Origin, greetings from my end.
I greet you too. I think you are the queen of
Humble Lion and
oh yes, Humble Lion
and Otunoko.
Each one maybe if you want to get Otunoko La Suba.
Hey, she making the way I would fake. God.
Jubril. No, I'm not sure when they Jubril. That one you try. That's why I come because you know now that these things, you know, that's why you know.
Jubril cannot hear all of Sudan.
That's what I'm saying. You just can't.
How's Danny? La Suba.
You know, they posted Jubril. Maybe they posted Jubril to North and posted her to Southeast. You never can tell. For assignment, you never can tell.
The same level.
What is you?
When are they here?
Last year, you put mass like addition because your head not they grow. Maybe you to get the add more reduce. So you put mass too. Last year, now fear guy, I feel other guy for footballer. Footballer, that is the problem.
I got a mask here this time. And the year mask I could to one you may observe or less one on daily basis. Or dear Tato. And born if you are to Chabisiki, born if you're not to Chabisiki, Yes, na mgbe ọ nọ ọtụtụ isi ka isi ọkwa nnụnụ ọtụrụ kpọkpọ ya nnụnụ a na-eji ọnụ ọjị alụ mere ya gbachere ndị mmadụ ọ ga-eme program n'ụtụtụ.
Mana Origin getting key moto Mike got na mma kwa gwaji Mike yo. I didn't know, this one ain't more talking mouth, honestly. Oh boy, this one shock you, it's a little confusing. You don't even know what to say about it. You know what annoys me so much is that here we are. Here, look, it's like, am I really dreaming or what? So with all of this, it now comes down to this woman does not even have a surname close to anything Southeast. No. I don't care anything about that. I don't care. I have now. Hold on. I'm a member of the people need to be careful. No wonder, if you notice, I keep saying the common denominator to this fracas from USB, we nearly scattered USB. God, Shebin, I said, I beg, let me just say, how many of us are here? We are still praying. I'm begging. Now I know that this prayer is important. We'll keep praying. They will not find peace. Anyone that states Biafrans, Igbos will not rest. That person no go rest. Peace will be removed from them. Everything they say will be mistake. Every step, mistake. Every step, there's no traction. As somebody is falling, you won't hold them, no traction. They will fall until they reach the bottomless pit, because this is not fair. From USB, now went to fallback Briggy. From Briggy, it scattered them there. They now switch to fallback deep. CIC, is it CRC? CRC to second degree. They now flipped again to autopilot. Now oblivion. Now come like you can't. It's like you. I have never seen this level of someone that can get people confused in this level, and everybody is still like looking. I have, this lawsuit is like one long overdue, and I think things are still going to unravel. Things will unravel. The question is, where is the chick? And because they say chick, I bet a chick. Does it mean that she's the one that just labeled herself a chick all of a sudden for her to look like? No, I think she has Mary is in the name. Ike is IKEH, which could be, even I have seen a Japanese answering is it Ada or something? So, but with H. So that one is we can't it's plus or minus up. Then Ike is spelled IKE now. I think I only with H.
Madam Origin, whether motilie H otilie ya na-etiecha ihe niile na n'okwu Igbo mana nke ya ifogbu nke o ji wee na-eri anyị ọlụ.
That's what I'm saying.
Afọ Igbo ade bụ nke o ji eri anyị ọlụ. Let those who listen to him, to her, know this.
How can we forget so soon? Oge nkere. Oge Chukwu nkere ji oge Chukwu nkere wee na-eri anyị ọrụ kemgbe ụbọchị until aka Isaiah Anyaogu apụta. You see, so exactly. It's not far from that. Mary Chiki, nke o ji na-eri anyị ọrụ, nke o ji were na-eme asa onye Igbo, nwa ajala. You understand? So now the true identity of Mary Chiki is out.
Those who na-eji oisi na-eji n'aka are confused, especially ndị nọ n'ime ọhịa.
Document go get no mali go ji.
especially ndị nọ n'ime ọfịa ọ na-eji usi oji n'aka eme ihe na I confuse. Let me make it known to everybody. Go to any part of Europe, in the France anonia, all these Sudanese people, all these Fulani people, I call of her idnele so mo if I na so she can easily go there, buy those things where it is and ndị nọ n'ime ọfịa anya na ya bụ nwa aja n'Igbo, and those people who never meeting with this stands as a big lesson to all of us, because all the buy even as a rosa opportunity umuajana ọzọ na-eme. Okay, tell me this is somebody that I called their family. I said, if this lady is from Anambra, does it mean that this lady no nwere ụmụnna, onwero di, onwero nne, onwero nna, onwero nwanne nwoke, onwero nwanne nwanyị, onwero kindred, onwero nobody could call her to order? And I waited for people said, you could remember I mentioned these things on Lion TV. Now, and I keep saying this, that the people that I know within that Aziz are not behaving like this. How can you come on social media, be talking without reasoning? Now things are unfolding. We are waiting. The case started. Let everything be clear so that we will know where to hold her exactly.
I'm telling you. Let's hear from River Goddess. Unmute your mic. River Goddess, are you there? I think she's not here with us. Continue, Ocean Master.
The issue, just like I said, we are just waiting to her and let the case start. We can't wait to have the necessary information. Then,
but she's claiming that nobody sued her, that she did not receive anything like lawsuit.
Oh, now she has agreed, because both even her YouTube account is sued too. So maybe at the end of the day, they will sue even her nails and her fingers. And to say this, there are a lot of them that there is this thing that they did one time that was like years ago. They started this thing, emasculating and taking over Nigeria for a long time now. That at some point there was a time they brought a large number of them and they went to school inside of Nigeria. They learned the custom, and the whole goal is to mingle and there's one that there used to be in one of the programs in the Nigeria sector. If you hear when this guy is talking, everybody will catch fire. He will be the only. I mean, it's like if you and I are arguing over something, as soon as he comes in, me and you will now join and fight him. That is how bad his own is. It's like whenever he comes in, everybody knows that this man is not from Nigeria. And he claims up till today, he still claims he's a Nigerian. But everybody knows he's not.
Yeah.
Everybody knows he's not. But he will never use his mouth and tell you he's not Nigerian.
Yeah.
So we need to be careful. That's all. We need to be careful. This is a big eye opener.
Exactly.
I'm telling you.
Exactly.
I'm telling you.
Oh, I really appreciate our DPM. I really appreciate her patience, calmness. I really applaud her doggedness to dig out all these things, that those who helped in bringing out these. Oh, I got my cap. All of you.
Not be smart, you know.
God is wonderful.
There was one of them that kind of repented, that revealed that and said, this is what they started this by sending them to schools, planting them in different schools in the whole Nigeria to get them accustomed. They are purely not Nigerians, but they brought them in.
Yeah.
And a lot of them, you hear them talk, you will be amazed how they articulate. But the whole goal is to. There was one time that one was talking so much, and you will know where they are going. You see all these the time they were trying to push. You can connect the dots, but you wouldn't even know where to really tackle them because they are very sophisticated. That was what they planned to do was to use the rates where they were to send these armies. Apart from now that they planted the ones they planted in the bush, they will now start exchanging them with the armies. They will start exchanging them with the army that they have brought in. You see how they are doing this? So he kept, we need army. We don't need army. We don't need army. We just need to solve the problem.
Yeah.
And it's just too, the mess is too much. I can't wait. This, you see this, Biafra, we need it like yesterday. ASAP.
Exactly.
Let us get out and start sorting ourselves. I wish they know what the true danger is. They look at our people, and it won't be surprising to see that a few of these ones that say they are the men on ground, they need to do DNA on them, because some of them came from nowhere, and they are causing nuisance. And we know that our people, true Igbo, will not open eye. I know how it is. Something is wrong, and they're causing this confusion everywhere. And we are here, and some of us will come. In a bush, that is that woman. Anyway, we day here. God will help us. And who else wants to talk, please?
God have helped us already. God have given us the weapon. God have shown us already. This thing here for Potana abroad, it's a very big situation. Those people who need deceive anymore here, when they listen to this program or when the news will break completely, then they will understand.
Do you know a strange thing that happened? This thing that they were doing, you see all these there's something that is going on. You see all this one that was going viral. It looked to me that they planned it to. You see, when our DPM, this woman, I thank God for her. I know that the angels are with her.
Yes.
For her to be adamant. I saw when some that think that they are with us are pushing, and she should give them space. And she said, no. You see, these things are unraveling now.
What I go do? How are you?
Oh,
yes.
okay.
How you do?
Your voice is coming out. No, somebody is
okay.
Our background is noisy.
Yeah, her background is noisy. Yeah, so like I was saying, at the end of the day, you find out that, and she brought out what this is a video. The man is there talking. The man is there, and I don't even know they sent it to her, and she didn't watch it before, because you know how they write scripts and give them to
read.
And she was saying it, now saying that, oh, hey, she went to Tiger Base, and this is the script that was written. Now she was reading the script. She went to Tiger Base. She brought this image. Meanwhile, when she now looked, she saw the person there is her boy.
Wonderful.
And she didn't know what else to say. She quickly covered up, removed that video.
Wow.
And I'm like,
exactly. That's how she wrote, because most of the videos she don't even watch them. She don't before using them to come and do broadcast.
On a winter, Nike.
Exactly. Always eager to come and say, be the first person that will break the news. You know, that woman, I can't wait. Let the document quick come out soon.
Right. Chineke. The spirit of Biafra is at work.
Breaking news.
And immediately he now said it is AI.
I will come in by force.
Oh.
How are you all doing?
Great. Come in, please. Come in.
Regards to everybody. Madam Origin, my sister.
Origin,
How
you
are
have been called already.
I'm doing good. Yes,
I
he
didn't
called
hear
you. You
anything.
were not listening. Maybe your phone was muted. Yes.
Asati, the thunderbolt.
Hey, it's my own sis.
The
My
woman
only
that did it
sis.
the way it is.
Good night
I
from
don't
here.
for all of you people. Madam Origin, how are you? Yeah.
Doing great. I'm doing great. Thank you.
Concerning what's going on.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah. Oh, Mazekai, how are you? There is something that is happening. There is I believe in the supremacy of God. When we are tired, when we have fulfilled all obedience, we run to God and we ask for his help. These days we are declaring and decreeing the word of God concerning our predicaments. Is it so Saturday or Sunday you did a program where some people were like earthworm that salt was sprinkled upon. And I was like asking myself, ọkwa ife sie ike akpọba Chukwu? If ọnọdụ sie ike akpọba Chukwu? Why I am saying this, that prayer works. You see, this prayer is a sacrifice. Aja nsure ọkụ is smoking the wicked people of this struggle out. You see, like this thing that has come up on Omachalofancha. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let it be true, 100% true. Let this information be correct. Because when we talk of identity, when we talk of gene and innocent people, that I'm a Fulani woman.
Even you?
Yes.
Hey, it's gonna say some more.
So I don't just want to say anything until everything is proven. It is God that is doing this. And my prayer this night, oh God of heaven, continue to expose the enemy of Biafrans. Continue to expose them wherever they are. Continue to give them sleepless nights. Continue to give them unsolvable assignment so that the children of God will have peace. Because all this thing that is happening, when you don't have a good advisor or you have a good advisor, you don't listen. That's why they say, we are not playing this time. All this propaganda, like all this DOS company, this DOS, there are things they have been doing. All this while, I've been saying it, Emeka gift Nando Tuya, or Hajik or Hawu baby face. All of them that were throwing stone on Simon Ekpa. The people that are going to Finland, all these things, Chineke nna na-vindicate onye aka ya dị ọcha. And I am praying that at the tail end, all of you will stumble and fall. Because during Ebeko Fulani, because all these things were the things so people were just like raising dust from here to there, from here to there, like Mazikai, you rightly say it, just something to nail Simon Ekpa. You understand? Even there was a lady that was about 2 years ago, I think they say it's from Cameroon, that thing happened. They said both of them, they are military, Habundi soldier, Hana Gegagano, Inudina Hunya, Emehe intercept, Ebuo Fabelo, the woman is Belia Arianine, Bubie the distance. They now went and brought it out again and start flying it in the media. Mazikam, you say something. The relevant things that are happening, they will not fly it over the social media. Unu victimize bano unu. All you people are doing, Orabu Fulani, Orabu Nka, Orabu Ebucheche Ndebanye, and Ebucheche Ndebanye, Ebucheche Ndebanye, and Ebucheche. But you people are the one that is handing your leaders over to be held. We are not scared. I always say it. Anybody, any man, any woman, you defeat yourself with fear, it will be so with you. All this drum, rower of this rower, another because even in the face of Obaog, madam and mother gather. Man at the tail end, I watch also go mile. Oh, I can say this thing, a step that would have been taken long time ahead. These are the people that say, "Hanacho FBI, kahawe mulongozo rabeze, cha 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 cha." When you are pointing one finger at somebody, I think or 3 or 4 gonna point back at one point point finger at somebody. Isn't iminkita no demma, iminkita nejoyi ke benyene gi aketa. So I'm just like praying, let this info, let it be 100% true. I drop my mic. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters. I love you all.
Thank you, Madam River Goddess. Thank you so much for joining us. We called you before, but thank God that you later joined us.
I didn't hear. Maybe it's the network. You know what is happening now? We don't know. Network is misbehaving now. Yeah,
it's true. It's true. Thank you so much. Somebody said, Sister said she seek asylum as a Sudanese in France. Innocent Highmouth, you are here. Highmouth Innocent. Or innocent? It don't innocent now. Innocent. You think you're guilty. Guilty Highmouth. It should be guilty, not innocent. You are finally you are back again.
Oh, seek is there asylum in okay, they also seek asylum one because I'm not seeing
France. Only go now why is such a seek as another seek I want the Sudan they seek asylum na France.
Okay, why would okay call you with in Sudan we seek asylum?
I don't think no seek asylum not go but because of one flies out.
Yes, so innocent if on
innocent madam.
Yes, the only thing they have to do, all of them, let them come and debunk, let them make the findings. That's how to do things. You can't just be so daft, so naive. You don't know anything. So that is the why Lord that's speculate na go watch ishi
Iba Goddess, you pala John no dinke.
This actual one actually gwara me. Innocent.
Innocent nwanne m ihe ị na-eme ada ọzọkwanụ mma ama m na ikpu mask gị o nwere ike ịbụ na DOS bịa to pollute everywhere mana on the last day onwe onye ga-ekpe gị ikpe Chineke ga-ekpe onye ọbụla ikpe n'ife o mete. Innocent, ịma the truth and the truth shall set you free. This will not help each and every one of us.
Apple, it was a time we're going to say the battery.
Because I drop on my bike, let me give other people a chance to come in.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you. So I think we have come to an end of the live broadcast. Or do you have any?
And before you go, let me still stress on this, and this should be it's something we really, really need to pay attention to, because we are laughing over this. If I didn't have this pre-idea, and when this was going on that platform, and all of us, everybody is just like, when is this guy gonna just say the truth for the last time in his entire life, to say I'm not Nigerian? It was when another platform, one of them that kind of changed and was tired of being under a mask, pretending he's Nigerian, and doing a lot of harm to the Nigerian people by coming in and for example, on that platform they will say when you raise an issue, they will bring it in such a way that if you're not careful, you will start agreeing with them, and meanwhile that is detrimental to the nation and promoting their agenda. So now that this has happened, it is irrespective of the fact that people are saying, okay, oh, is she from there? Is she from Anambra? Is she from Oko or whatever? That is what she may have told you people. And like that guy, he will say he's from some part of Port Harcourt, and he has maintained it for like 3 years now. So who is going to dispute that? So we need to be really careful, especially us Igbos. We are too gullible and too thing. Please, don't trust me. What is important is that what is going on is dangerous. Let us remove eyes on one another, and anybody that is not for Biafra realization is an enemy. It does not matter if that person is speaking there's some Igbos that you would take an interpreter to interpret it for you as an Igbo. Even if that person is speaking that Igbo, so long as that person is against the realization of Biafra, that person is an enemy. I rested there, Mazekai. Sorry.
God bless you, ma. Thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Oshomasa, do you have anything to add up, or should I just welcome this brother that just joined us?
Welcome him now. Welcome him, yeah.
Eze Frank Izuchukwu. Let's hear from you, my brother. Are you there? Eze, Mr. Eze, are you here? Your mic is on, but you are not saying anything. You are not muted at all. As a friend, this is your first time. Maybe you can say something. Other than network, he's just looking at us, so without saying anything.
So according by Madam that cigarettes, right?
Sorry?
Madam Origin.
Okay, Madam Origin. Yeah. By you, Madam Origin. Look, you see, no matter how somebody who claims that they come from Biafran region or Old Eastern region, anybody who we claim or who is claiming, there is no two ways about it. We know ourselves. So far as people are so far as people obodo isi well enwe ụmụnna dia obodo ọbụla isi, no matter how confused that person got, ebe onye ọfụ ya nọdụ. So far as I want to Biafra land, say when you see from Enugu State, for example, Amalebi si Enugu State, kedu ebe isi ikwu ebe eje ebe amị, then ogo na emarozi na emaro date of birth gị, enwe ndị amụkọ gị na ha. So nobody will confuse us. Maka onye nke na-ekwu okwu na TV si na ya si Port Harcourt claim or for ndị ọha ga na-aghọrị, not Biafrans. When it turns to investigate, we will know who is a Biafran and who is not. Thank you.
Anybody can fake anything they want to fake, but at the end, the truth will stand. It's a matter of time. As Frank Izuchukwu, are you still with us, or you are unable to say anything? This is our brother. This is your blue light. Let me up now. Okay, about not work on the monitoring spirit. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate all of you on the comment section, and Madam Origin, Ocean Master, Asatina, our brother Henry, Mr. Henry, all of you, please, if I miss your name, I'm very sorry. I appreciate all of you. Please keep your eyes on this picture, this news about the upcoming space program fundraising coming up on Friday, 7 p.m. I will also bring it up tomorrow. Anytime we come live, I will share it again. But please keep note on that. Very, very important. See you tomorrow. So it's coming back again. Hold on. Okay, on network this is our brother. So on network network. Okay, let's hear from him. Hopefully. Yeah, Bongo network. What about? As a living news, I see your comment. As a Frank,
Bye.
are you there?
Good evening from here. Good evening from here.
Good evening. Notice him, yeah. Kekima.
Odemma.
The mic is yours.
Odemma.
Ganilo.
Okay. Good evening, all Biafrans. Good evening, all Biafrans all over the world. As in Kanworo Uhera work and Ndini name mma Basara nwere nwe Biafra. Ọ dịrọ mfe o, ife a na-eme ife a bụ ife mmụọ. Mana ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị amarọ m ife bụ problem anyị wa bụ Igbo. Ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị nwere problem. Mana ife dị n'ime ya bụ onwere etu a ga-esi mee ya ka ọ ghara ịdị etu a, maka freedom abụrụ a very cheap something. Freedom adịrọ cheap. Freedom gara ezigbo ọnụ. Ihe gbasara nwanne anyị nwaanyị na adịbụ Igbo nwere nsogbu, and which is na mamara onye ya solve our problem. Ị na-akpọ USB terrorist. Ị na-akpọ CRC terrorist. Ị na-akpọkwa the other fallback group mbụ oge nkelefa terrorist. Where do you stand? In nwere base. You know, everybody be terrorist. Onwere okwu nwanne anyị nwoke Kelena TV na-ekwu all the time. And ihe a bụ ife anyị ncha niile kwesịrị ịma. Consequences await those that undermine the truth. Anya efesiri eziokwu, jụ na ọma nkwu eziokwu, ọ ya afọ ife so n'ime ya. And ọ bụrụ mgbe eziokwu anwa efesiri ikwuru ya, consequences ya abịazịa ndị be anyị amapụta ọnụ kọba nya J7. The thing na-enye m ezigbo nsogbu. Ọ na-abụ etu ndị be anyị si eme ife bụ nnenekata otu a, the thing na-agba m anya mmiri. Now, emegide gị ife niile a megide to the extent somebody declare Biafra na Finland ka ị na-agwa m na ọ bụ a terrorist. Ọ bụrụ ụdị terrorist a ka a na-abụ, I want to have this kind of terrorist around me all the time. Mmadụ wepụtara onwe ya, when nobody could come up to stand and defend ife this woman mere na Finland, ka mmadụ ya bụ just within how many days ịpụta na-agwa m na onye a bụ terrorist ifilie na mụnwa ga-ekwe nkweta nke ahụ ị na-ekwu do ama m ndị be anyị ihe eji mara ndị Igbo bụ ịkpali mmadụ ịkpọ iyi ịkọ all sort of things ibupụta ife na-ekwesịrị ibupụta na kamera ife ndị Yoruba ga-abụ ha mesie chụọ ama nnu ya ka ndị Igbo chime ya ndị Igbo emebe mkpọtụ ebe niile were mkpọtụ m na-emekasị ebe niile ọ bụrụ ka esi eme ife ndị Fulani na-eme ihe mgbe ndị Fulani si n'ime na-abatasị all the forest anyị amarọ mgbe ha take guru over everywhere mana ọ bụrụ ndị Igbo na-eme ya fa ya ebido from ebe ha na plan ya tiri mkpu na-eje tiri a ga-echigide mkpu tisa mkpu ebe niile ọ bụrụ ka ndị Igbo si eme ife na-eme m sometimes nnerekọta ife ndị Igbo na-eme na-asị ha wish na mụ bụ onye China self because na ife ndị Igbo na-eme sometimes ọ na-adị ka asị na clever m nke ka anyị bụ anyị bịa na ikele m na anyị mefe why we know nothing ebe ọbụla country ọbụla ijere go direct to the site already at that place. 90% of ndị ga-afọ ebe ama bụ Nigeria bụ ndị Igbo ọ bụrụkwa na anyị kasị committee no na we too show ourselves. The problem we too dey show ourselves, we too dey show our face. That is the problem. Ihe ọbụla anyị eme ka afụtatasị anyị ya wu a na-eme ndị ọcha na-eme for long ya ka ndị Igbo tinyere aka sebe tattoo n'aka okpọba trouser n'ukwu na-emeri kedu ife ọ bụ mmadụ dịkata ịma mbe ife etu si kwesị ime ife because ọ bụ terrorist. Somebody declare Biafra, redeclare Biafra na Finland ka ị na-akpọ terrorist. If forget is here na ndị Finland na Afụgị chefuo na Finland na Afụgị ọ bụ ọra bụ goro Fulani ọ bụ nka give us evidence ya anyị need evidence anyị ma onye chibu ọra bụ goro Fulani ihe bụ mana anyị godo anyị evidence ya if anyị we don't get from since almost 9 months you can't bring one evidence na onye a bụ terrorist na onye a bụ bandit na onye a bụ killer na onye a bụ nka na onye a bụ nka no ịbịa na-akọ iwu akọlụsi ebe a na-anwụ oluo na court onye na-amara asụ oyibo ụmụ aja na-amara asụ oyibo onye je ma oke esi asụ oyibo yes now these are the consequences are where those that undermine the truth ọ bịa otu a onye ọbụla kụtara wuli isi ya wee buli ya ekerekwa m onye ọbụla.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Okwu gị kwụ ọtọ kama na o wee chọrọ itinye ego ọnụ n'ebe isi that na amala ebe wayi soja kwụ akụ na ọkwụ maka ndị Oko tata anyị ma na ọkwụ na Sudan so ebe a ka ọkwụ so Sudan ka ọkwụ yere nke ikpeazụ a then issue of ihe ndị be anyị agwa ndị be anyị na-eme owere obodo na-ewelọ ndị ife jumanafa obere negative side of them na ọta ka anyị focus on the positive one where go have a good because no matter what China ikwu okwu ịga n'ime akụkọ so wedere ndị China my brother etago Igbo tụrụ aka bụ ndị dị nso ọwa mgbagharị mkparị ga-eji elewa mgbe so aga na anụ n'ọgụ before police wee bịa ịnụgo ya dị na gị ọkụ na alụ na ma iwu ma anything just that no ịka mụta ahụ họpụ ndị ga-ahọpụ ka iwu kerie nke ọnụ yọta so amanji iwo maybe everything no why time will tell ịnụgo
onye Maazị Kai to the brother isi nwanne ị ga-ama ama bụ yes ọ na-ewute because exactly ihe ikwu bụ eziokwu o nwere ihe a na-jiri wee mara ndị be anyị but today ọ na-emezi ọ dị ka anyị asị na ajọ ife gbara arọ wee na-abụ omenala mana achọ nke ịmalụ na okwu ndị Igbo si dat na onye na-amarọ na ya ga-echi ọzọ chi ọzọ ọ na-agbara owuru ka okwu ya niile rabụ eziokwu. Then nke i kwuru gbasara ndị na-abịa akpọ ọra Fulani abịa akpọ dis and akpọ that nwanne onye ọbụla bịara mmebi i kwesịrị ịma nke a onye ọbụla ịfụ bịa mmebi na be ọsọkwu ya were mmiri wee saa ana zachaa anya penti ya ka ọ na-acha white tọrịa ihe niile ya tọrịa ka ọ maa mma ọ pụta ọ ya afụri ofu ihe ọ ya akọ maka gị ọma nkọ ife ọma na ihe anyị mere so ndị niile ife na-akọ ife a na ọnọdụ nwere onwe na-akpọ afa niile in reality na mbido ha abịa bụrụkwanụ mmezi, abịa bụrụ ka nweta ihe ha na-enweta. Some of them na watch ya, some of them they are from Obedient, some of them but you are back to Obedient, from some of them na some groups are na akọ you have to post ndị ụfọdụ that will tell you ma ndị solo okwu ọnụ meso na omume m ka ndị solo omume meso na okwu ọnụ m. So it's ọ dị etu a na ọ dị etu a, mana ọma ndite anyị ọma mme na ya mana ifokọs n'ebe anyị na-eje, a ga na-atụrịrị inwe ebe ị na-eje dị gị mkpa, a na-enwere ihe mkpọbi okwu, mana ị ga na-aga until iruo. So anyị ga na-aga, anyị nwa ndị be anyị ga na-aga until anyị ruo. That is why sometimes ndị na some programs onwe ka a ga-esikwu ngwa ndị be anyị na anyị adịghị ekwu okwu nkwulụpụ obi. Ọgụ anyị anọ anya since 1969, since 1967 wee lue now. Akara so anyị ama nkwulu okwu nkwulụpụ obi na ya. O nwegoro ihe ịfụ mmadụ mebe eme ihe nkuru no ịtụrapụ ya were nke gbaa ume wee na-aga, were nke na-agba anyị ume wee na-aga, because ebe ọ na-anụ ọgụ a na-enweri ụdị ife a obodo ọbụla ife nwegoro onwe ha n'ụwa niile a na-enwe, kama na ihe o ji ewute ewu na nke a na-eme na ejiri mara ndị Igbo bụ mba na-ejikọ obi ọnụ. That is why and after the war we could be able to survive and supersede those na-agba anyị mgba. And Igbo na-ejikọ aka ọnụ wee na-eme gịnị, na-aga na-ada onwe ha. Onye Igbo ọ na-agala onye Igbo kịta na onye Igbo adọrọ nwanne ya na-aga. Mana today ụfọdụ ndị ajọ mmadụ ekwerozi ka ihe eji mara ndị Igbo ka ọ pụta ife. Ndewo my brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my brother. So we have come to an end of the live broadcast. Thank you, Eze Frank, Eze Chuku, and all of you that joined me. May God bless all of us. See you tomorrow. I have to end it now. Thank you. And please keep your eyes on this picture on the screen, which is, like I told you before, very, very important. And keep the date, Friday, 7 p.m. different time. God bless you, Madam Origin, Ocean Master, River Goddess, Eze Frank, and Asatina, Mr. Henry, and all of us that join us. May God bless you. And those that are going to watch the video later, please make sure you like the video and God bless you. Good night. Thank you.